It's my new airsoft gun. It's my new laser sight. Let's see how we put it together. Okay, so this is what it looks like with the attachment on. Bang. So what you do to load it is, you have to pull the trigger back. And it shoots and hurts really bad. This is a magazine that fits almost 15 bullets or 15 to 16 bullets. Yeah. And the laser sight on this gun actually does work, and so does the flashlight. Yeah, like my cats like it, they play with it. The flashlight right there, and the other one's a laser sight. So, yeah. I'll be going in an airsoft tournament on Saturday. I already went on one on Sunday, I think it was, yesterday. But yeah, this is my new gun. Got this today, actually. I went outside, checked the mail. Check it every morning. And yeah, that attachment is really hard to take off. Bang, bang. And look, this is not a real gun. It has an orange tip. Okay, so I'm going to pull the trigger back. I'm not going to shoot anything. It doesn't have anything in the clips. Yeah, look, I took the clip out. Yeah, the clip, it's really cool because the clip just drops to the ground. It's a really cool gun. I really like it. I got it today. I ordered it 5 days ago from like LA or something. I don't know. I don't know where it came from. It never said. It just said that it'd be here in 5 days. So. Hey, Nachos. Nacho the cat. Oh. He loves playing with it. Yeah, he just doesn't know what it is. I love cats. Oh, that's my other cat, Isis. Nacho, Isis. Nacho, Isis. Yeah, that's the flashlight. It's neon blue. So we can do airsoft in the dark missions, which you actually get a lot of those requests to do those, but I can't join in. So now I'm not the only guy that has a flashlight. Well, I used to have to carry a flashlight with me instead of using a gun flashlight. So I used to always have to have one hand with a gun and the other hand with a flashlight. And if I was using an AR, which I do have, but it's up in my closet, and I don't really want to go get it. If I was using my AR, it'd be extremely painful. So now I can just click on my flashlight. It'd be like bam, 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 and blasting these fools up. Yeah, but it's my new airsoft gun. If y'all want to see it shoot, just tell me. It's cool. Because it's hella powerful. And really actually hurts. Yeah, because I shot my finger with it on accident. Can't imagine that going over well. It's so hard to take off. Bang, 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 bang. And yes, I know how to shoot a real handgun. I've shot one before. Another important thing is, with this clip, you have to keep your hand like this. Like, you have to keep your pinky over this when you're firing, because sometimes when you fire, it'll press the button, like, it'll hit the button out of backfire, and then just drop the clip. And 1 second, you'll be like, bang, 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 bang. Your clip falls out, like, reloading clicks. Like, you can't shoot. And then after about 2 of those, your gun will jam for no reason. And it's just crap. Oh, God. But, yeah. First time unboxing it. It's really cool. Well, I'm going to go put it back in its case. That was the G153BAF, an airsoft gun. And it does say 1-to-1 scale, do not shoot any animals or human. Okay? So bye. If you're wanting to get one of these, there's a Peddler's Mall down in Kentucky to get one of these. They sell them all the time. There's an M16 up there, shotguns, grenades. For airsoft, there's all kinds of butterfly knives and all kinds of brass knuckles and stuff like that too. They have everything.